ஜாழ்ப்பாணம் காங்கேசன் துறைமுகத்தில் எதிர்கால அபிவிருத்தி நடவடிக்கைகள் தொடர்பாக ஆய்வு செய்வதற்காக துறைமுகங்கள் மற்றும் சிவில் விமான போக்குவரத்து அமைச்சர் அனுரக அருணாதிலக மற்றும் பிரதி அமைச்சர் கொடுத்துவ ஆகியோர் இன்றைய தினம் துறைமுகத்தை பார்வையிட்டனர். அமைச்சர்கள் உள்ளிட்ட குழாம் துறைமுகத்தை பார்வையிட்டுவதுடன் எதிர்காலத்தில் முன்னெடுக்கப்படவுள்ள மற்றும் முன்னெடுக்கப்பட்டு வரும் நடவடிக்கைகள் தொடர்பிலும் ஆராய்ந்தனர்.
එක අක්කර 27ක් වෙනකන් දැන් තියෙනවා. එතකොට දැන් අපි මෙතෙන්ට එනකම් බවුන්ඩරි වෝල් ෆෙන්ස් දාලා තියෙනවා. දැන් අලුතෙන් අපි මේ දවස්වල ටෙන්ඩර් ඉෂුව එකක් යනවා. මෙන්න මේ අලුතෙන්ට බවුන්ඩරි ෆෙන්ස් and බවුන්ඩරි වෝල් කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන් එක. ඊට පස්සේ ටෝටල් මාස්ටර් ප්ලෑන් එක මෙන්න මේක තමයි මෙතන ලයිට් හවුස් ළඟට එනකම් තියෙනවා. ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එක එනවා නම් ඒකේ රික්වයර්මන්ට් එක අපිට තියෙනවා. මේ හරිය තියෙන්නේ සර් ප්‍රයිවට් ලෑන්ඩ්ස් තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ප්‍රාදේශීය සභාවක පොඩි නැගිට තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ පොලිසියට වෙන් කරපු ලෑන්ඩ් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ අනිත් එක ගවර්න්මන්ට් ලෑන්ඩ්ස් තියෙනවා. මේ ටික. පහුගිය දවස්වල අපේ ටීම් එක ඇවිල්ලා මේ මැච් එක තිබුණා. දැන් බින්නේ at the moment we have acquired only the cement corporation land. Balance are
boilers from the oil boiler,
yes,
we are going to
yeah.
have extended, and because of the port city, we don't need them.
We had all done now.
There are 29 pending court cases and 14 released already. 104 confiscated already. We arrested almost 145 million dollars. Those are located in Mailadi Vishariyama and here. Here also limited space, and again we don't have any. Because of that pending court cases and cost is too high. Again, because they have to repair all the pending work, making works and hull work. So
How many years now?
here it's around.
Some are recently
captured, sir. That too are recently we arrested on couple of days ago. Yesterday also, day before yesterday also we arrested this type of fishing trawlers there.
Yeah. Then you can auction it because now with the regulation you cannot auction it because you are not using steel hull.
prepared for that northeast monsoon situation. So that's why advantage goes around more than
at the moment, only that you are seeing one lady, the name
Yeah.
is also using
Before it was
yeah, but
yeah, right there.
it's partially with the heavy wind condition. Cannot feel like this year because so many sea breeze and sea water is coming. We don't have any effect. And again,
planning to do some extension for this building. So that is under design stage at the moment. So later on it will be also called tenders for that extension work. Because Navy is now not willing to do any extension work in this building. So we have to select our own contractor and get it. And after scanning the hand luggage, they will bring up here. And then they will be taking the immigration here. Then after that, they will be wait over there until the baggage comes to the lorry. Immigration, immigration is asking to waiting area for the immigration people because otherwise they have to all organ congestion in this area. So we will prepare some area for the immigration waiting area. And after that, the with connected to the arrival people waiting area, we will have some duty free shop and bank facilities. Now at the moment, bank is operating with the mobile. So we will prepare one place, separate place for the bank also with this extension.
but anyway, if the passenger movements are seasonal,
Yes.
so there is no need to have permanent bank plant here.
No, but
Yes, the space,
the
separate
space,
space,
yes,
yeah.
yes. They will decide whether they will
Yeah,
continue or only for the